Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Life 360 password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Without further ado, let's start. First of all, open Life 360 app on your device. Once you are directed to this page, make sure to sign in. For that, you will see a sign in option at the bottom of your screen at the right hand side. Now you can either go with your phone number or your email address in order to sign up. Here I'm going with my email and provide your email. After that, tap on continue option. Now if you have forgot your password, you can reset it by simply tapping on forget password that you will see below the continue option. Tap on forget password. To reset your password, you can simply go through your phone number, or else you can also use your email. Here I'm going with my email, so for that I will tap on this option that says search by email. After that, provide your email that you have used while registering your Life 360 account. Once you are done with that, tap on continue option. Now an email has been sent to your email address, so go back to your email. Here you will get an email from Life 360 in order to reset your password. After that, simply tap on reset password that you will see on the screen. Now you will be directed to this page that says reset your password. Here type the new password that you want to create and confirm the password. After that, simply tap on continue option and your password will be changed. So this is how you can simply reset your Life 360 password. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.